Hey everyone, welcome back. Apple has officially opened up iOS 26 and iPadOS 26 to members of its public beta testing program, allowing users to download and install the latest updates starting today. Anyone interested can sign up through Apple's beta website. The first public beta includes the same features found in the fourth developer beta released earlier this week, though developers now have access to an updated fourth beta as well. Registered beta testers can install the iOS 26 and iPadOS 26 updates by heading to the Settings app, navigating to General, Software Updates section, and selecting the public beta for iOS 26 or iPadOS 26. The new update brings Apple's striking liquid glass design to the forefront with an interface that emphasizes transparency and subtle motion. Icons, buttons, and navigation bars now reflect and refract light with fluid animations, while pop-out menus and shrinking tab bars contribute to a softer, more rounded aesthetic. It's worth pointing out that iOS 26 also introduces a suite of Apple Intelligence features. These include visual intelligence for interpreting screenshots, enhanced auto tracking in the Wallet app, smarter tools in reminders, and live translation integrated into Messages, FaceTime, and phone apps. The new Image Playground offers ChatGPT-style image generation, and Genmoji allows users to blend multiple emoji into unique, expressive creations. Photos get a visual boost with the new special scene effect, giving 2D images a 3D-like depth. Safari has been revamped with easier navigation. The phone app adds a call screening and the time-saving hold assist feature. Messages now support fully customizable backgrounds and polls for group chats. Other notable additions include an auto mix feature in the Apple Music for seamless DJ-style transitions, a redesigned CarPlay interface, a brand new Apple Games app, and the debut of the Preview app on iPhone. Now take iOS 26 for a long spin and say your thoughts about it, and I'll catch you up in the next one.